It's Frank! It's Frank, the guy that helped me out with that,
Get your daily delivery.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
We have another tip for you.
Ooh, really? Hold on. Frank, the UPS guy, strikes again. He just texted me and said, hey, there's a push mower in front of this address. And I'm here. Just in a nick of time, too. Looks like it's gonna pour soon. Craftsman push mower, quantum engine. Love quantums. I figured out why they threw it out. Got some bad wheels. That's alright, I got plenty of wheels. All of a sudden, I'm getting so many push mowers now. Weird. Another thing for me to do. Easy money.
That's why you make friends with your UPS guy.
So the next one. You can see all four wheels are just garbage. The rears. Fronts. Terrible. Also, when you try to start it, right? Something is like take off the spark plug wire just in case. Watch. Right there. Because this is going down a little bit, when you hit a curb and stuff, you push it in. It's going to take some channel locks, and it's bent in. I'm just going to bend it out just a little bit. That ought to fix the scrapage. As you can see, it's popping back into shape, what it's supposed to be. Many years of just, see? There you go. That doesn't scrape. Let's see if this engine runs. Now, I'm thinking the guy was mowing, right? There's plenty of gas in here, and there's plenty of Earl. Wow, it's pretty dirty Earl though. But I'm thinking the guy was mowing, he hit something, blade starts scratching, whatever. He looked at this whole condition, he's like, oh, the hell with that, I'm throwing it out. So maybe it might work. Yep, there's a primer, so let's hear it. I don't really feel, you know, any fluid. And there's plenty of gas in it. And it looks like it's gas. But I don't, I'm going to put the spark plug back on, the cable, the coil wire, I mean. I don't feel any fluid. love them quantum engines, man. I love these engines. So smooth, you know? So that's it, man. I mean, this thing works and everything. I just need to replace the wheels. So, let's take this wheel off and go to my parts bin and see what we find. Of course, it's not a half inch. It's a 9/16. Trashed. I should be able to find at least 2 wheels that'll fit this. I'm gonna go to in the back, my parts bin. My parts bin in the back. I got tons of wheels. I never throw anything out. Just picked up a new parts bin over there. But that was in really good shape. I might fix that or sell it. So I'm gonna see if I can find some wheels. So I've got all kinds of wheels out, and I actually found a few wheels that are exactly the same replacement. But you know what I figured out, man? It's actually not the it is the wheels, but it's not exactly the wheels. It's the shaft onto this thing. See? Over the years, this thing just rubbed out so much that it's no longer thick, so it doesn't really fit the wheel anymore. So I actually have the exact same one, but thicker, right? So it'll hold the wheel better, it won't wobble. So I'm just going to replace this height adjuster. See, I never throw anything away. I had obviously the same exact one before, and I said I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to keep it. And sure enough, I found the exact same one, and this one's like thicker. You know, the other one was rubbed out so bad that it was just wobbly. No matter if you put brand new wheels on it, it still wouldn't work, you know. So I'm just going to replace both height adjusters. It's pretty easy. It's a 1/2 inch bolt on one side. Grip the other one with your where did that just go? Just there. Pretty easy. I'm going to tighten that. There you go. So this is a new height adjuster. Not new, but it's better. And I actually have the exact same wheel in the back. Just missing a black little cover, you know. Oh, that seems pretty wobbly too. It's because this wheel is just Dunsky, that's all. I'm going to try another wheel. Oh, this is much better. Look at that. It doesn't match, but whatever. This is also CRAFTSMAN. I think I have another one like that. I do. I'm going to do that. This is going to work. This is good. And the most important is the fronts. That's nice. Awesome. I gotta throw some of these wheels away. They're not in good shape. I'm gonna do the other. So there we go. Changed the 2 height adjusters and the 2 front wheels. Look at that. Nice. That's awesome. And of course, course, I save all the bags too. And I found a bag that fit. So now this thing will sell for at least $25 more. Looks pretty good, man. And of course, you've got to clean your shit. Even a little bit. Just to get the leaves and the dry grass out of there. It'll look a little better. Not a lot, a little. I don't know if cleaning this will do anything though. It's pretty rough. Definitely looks better even when it's wet. So, got this for free, thanks to Frank, the UPS guy. Changed the front wheels as well as the two front height adjusters, and bent that thing back so that the blades move freely. This thing runs good. Put a bagger on there. I'll list this for $100 and sell it for 80, 75. Anyway, so I fixed 2 mowers today. Again. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. I bet you're saying, hey, Henry forgot to change the oil. He said the oil was bad. I'm gonna change it. Changing the oil is really easy. So I'm just gonna bring the oil change to this, to the backyard where it is. As you can see, that oil is pretty bad. You can tell it's really bad when it's all black. It's not clear at all. It's completely black. Even though the viscosity looks like it's pretty good, when I mean viscosity, I mean the thickness of it, not watered down or anything like that, or mixed with gas. So it's still, you know, workable. It still may work, but the viscosity has been compromised when it's black like that. So, we're going to change it. And we're going to use some SAE30 Plus from my friends at Lucas Oil Products. All I need is a funnel and a little place to put the oil. And basically, I'm just going to tip the mower. Tip the mower. And there it is. There be the Earl. Because the dipstick, the bottom of the dipstick is right at the bottom of the engine block. All you have to do is tip it, and every little bit of that Earl will come out. Give it a little bit of help. And remember, you just got to get most of it out. A little bit of gas is leaking out from the gas tank, but just a little. See that? Just talking about little trickles now. Now that we've gotten all the Earl out, the typical standard lawnmower takes about 20 ounces. While I thought I needed a funnel, I don't. Earl. Might have been 20 ounces, I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit and then check the levels. As with all these backyard type oil changes, literally in my backyard, right on the money. Focus. Let me focus. Ah, right there. There you go. Full, baby. Clear. Syrupy. That's what I'm talking about, viscosity, man. Now this baby's got some fresh Earl. And that's all it took. Literally 3 minutes to change a lawnmower's oil. Now this thing's ready for sale. I'm going to just park it, along with my 7 other push mowers that I'm getting ready to sell, which I all got for free, right? That's right, free. It's free money that I found on the street. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Backyard small engine flippers are definitely not conventional, but doesn't mean you have to be a dick, right? Always dispose of your bad oil the proper way. Don't be a dick and pour it down the sewer or something like that. Or dump it. Take it to your gas station. Some people get paid for this bad oil. So when I go to the gas station to refill my gasoline, I bring them a few jugs of used oil. It's the responsible thing to do. Hey guys, support my channel. Buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next part. Have a great day.
I gotta go. I'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.